Why don't you just give me your stick? Give me the stick.
Anyone's asking?
My favorite movie of
Which
of
you
mine,
have done, huh?
which I have done. If I don't say Viva, you'll kill me. So let me say Viva.
Shahid. Shahid.
शानदार 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 शानदार
Shahid. Mic is not working. Shahid. We've heard.
I will like
Shahid.
शानदार 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 हाँ scream I'll repeat your question.
Speak into the mic, Baba. Speak into the mic.
My question to you, Shahid. सुना है कि शानदार से इंस्पिरेशन लेके आपने अपने खुद की वेडिंग प्लान की थी. Is it true?
No wedding questions for Shahid Kapoor about his shadi.
But
No wedding questions. No
but
wedding
you are playing
questions.
the role of a wedding planner.
That's
in
what
this
we call
film.
girl power.
But you are
She
playing
has
the
the
role.
power.
Shahid, we from the media have Shahid here.
Where? Here is where, bhai?
Shahid, here.
Where, bhai?
Here, niche.
Ah, yes, sir.
Shahid, we from the media have really supported you right from Ishq Wish to Haider. You know, it is a request from the media and from the fans to know who made the first move. How is it between you and Meera?
Sorry,
One
what?
small quote.
What?
You and Meera, you know, who made the first move? No, Shahid.
इसका mic छीन लो.
All right. So the media's time is up now because they're abusing their privileges. Now we have questions from the fans. All right. So all kinds of questions. You want to know favorite color? You want to know shoe size? Anything fun? Anything that has to do with the first move? Anything that is absolutely shandar? Go ahead and ask. All right. So let's have some girls. Tell me, what's your question? All right, that's a good
So-
question. आप उनको जरा mic दे दीजिए,
Hi,
please.
Shahid. I'm Sachit. My name is Sachit. I'm a huge fan of yours and
Thank you
your
so
dance.
much.
And your looks are too good. I mean, I really love you for that. Okay, so what is your inspiration for Shandar? Like, what have you inspired from and acted as that brilliant as you always do?
I mean, I think my inspiration for Shandar is Alia. I wanted to work with Alia Bhatt and it was my only opportunity.
शाहिद मेरा सवाल आपसे है क्वीन के बाद विकास बहल की ये दूसरी फिल्म होगी इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग और उम्मीदें सबको बहुत ज़्यादा होंगी चाहे वो क्रिटिक हो चाहे वो फैंस हो आप शानदार का हिस्सा हैं कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा आपके लिए ये किरदार करना या रोल करना क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है
Actually, शानदार जो है वो it's a very easy, breezy, fun film. If we take pressure of anything, honestly, जब शानदार हम लोगों ने सबने साइन की थी और हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, तो क्वीन रिलीज नहीं हुई थी, मेरी हैदर रिलीज नहीं हुई थी, इनकी हाईवे आई थिंक रिलीज हो रही थी. So the time at which we took this film up, हम तीनों मतलब इतने exciting लोग नहीं थे. फिर वो साल गुजरा और सडनली तीनों की फिल्में बहुत अच्छी लगी लोगों को और अच्छा साल बीत गया तो सडनली शानदार बिकेम अ वेरी बिग फिल्म. लेकिन हमने कभी भी शानदार को उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं बनाया है. हमने इसलिए बनाया बिकॉज इट्स अ रियली नाइस फिल्म, इट्स अ रियली एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म, इट्स अ वेरी फ्रेश कॉन्सेप्ट. विकास इज टेकन अ लव स्टोरी. आई डोंट थिंक वी एवर हैड अ डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग फिल्म बिफोर. तो हमने वी जस्ट गॉन आउट देयर एंड ट्राइड टू मेक द फिल्म दैट इट नीड्स टू बी. अब वो किस फिल्म के बाद आ रही है, उस पर कितने expectations हैं, अगर हम वो सब सोचेंगे, so I think it will take away from being able to give Shandar the energy that it needs. So we just went out there and had fun, honestly.
Okay, जैसे आपने जिक्र किया
Shahid, we've been shouting since when for one pic with you, just one pic. And my question, ask question. How do you avoid someone's first move? Whoa, good question. Good question.
Answer it, you want to answer? Have you learned some self-defense format? कुछ सीखा है? Alia, would you like to tell her how a girl should avoid a first move if she wants to avoid it?
See, firstly, I think if it's, you have to start with being polite. You have to make it very kind of obvious from your body language and from your smile. Don't send the big smileys back. Send one small smiley. Don't ever send the kiss smiley. Don't send the hug smiley. Be little like, like subtle about your emotions. Don't laugh too much also. Don't like stand too close. That's the rules. And if this still he doesn't understand, then first. Alia. Hi.
Shahid,
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 I love you. Alia, I love you too. Shahid, I love you so much. I love you. My question is, what would you do if your first move failed?
If my first move failed, what would you do if your first move failed? Very painful question. हाँ? यहाँ पे सब लड़के बोल रहे will make a second move, ये देखो.
Never
No.
quit.
You have to respect it. Good answer. Who said that? Who said that? Nice. He said you should respect the fact that the girl is not interested. So respect.
Alia.
All right. There's a question right there. Next.
Where are
Next.
you?
Did you know you broke my heart by marrying?
If I knew, I'd never do that. I'm sorry. I didn't know. But
Alia?
this was the question.
All right. So now, last two questions. So make them good, you guys. Last two questions. What is your question?
Alia, हम जानना. Alia, hello. Hi, Alia.
All right. Just ask Abhishek. Just
Hello. Alia, what was my first move in the film? I'll tell you the answer to that. You'll see it on the 22nd of October. First day, first show. Okay?
हेलो आलिया जब प्रोमो लॉन्च हुआ था शानदार का और आज एक इवेंट है जब भी शाहिद से शादी का सवाल किया जाता है आप आके उनके आगे खड़ी हो जाती है व्हाई इज इट सम डील और समथिंग
No, there's no deal. I'm just protective about Shahid. I'm protective about Shahid. और यहाँ पे हम लोग शानदार की बात कर रहे हैं और मैं बहुत इरिटेट हो जाती हूँ जब सब लोग पर्सनल सवाल ज्यादा पूछते हैं when you're trying to be on a work front. Make it more about the work. It's only fair.
No.
Okay, let him ask his question first, then you ask.
Alia ma'am, my name is Pankil and my question is to you that while making of the film Shandar, how many people tried to make their first move with you?
Shahid.
How many? Not many. Just an average.
Shahid.
No. Let's keep it to the film. Yeah, you ask.
Yeah, Alia, my
Can
name
I
is
please
Deepak.
what? What's your name? Pankil Parekh. I love you, Pankil Parekh.
Pankhil Pare.
Okay, tell.
Yeah, hi Alia and Shahid. I
Hi.
love both of you. Alia, I seriously love you, okay? My mother.
Two faces on the close-up pack right now. That and also close-up being close-up, I think.
Yeah, man, I think it's great. It makes. Do you use toothpaste? Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Do you make sure that you don't have any bad breath? This is what helps you do that, dude. So that's really cool, and that's what makes it Shandar. So go get it. You want a pack? Will you use it every day? Here you go. You will make your first move after using this. All right, there you go, brother. Yes.
We're done with the questions. So I'll
Thank you so much.